Why you are so sad?
Nothing, just like that. Casual.
You doesn't feel right. Your face says it all. Tell me clearly, what happened?
Hey, how do I explain this? Look, those three come to me and
What happened? Why you are so sad?
nothing, just like that. Casual.
You doesn't feel right. Your face says it all. Tell me clearly, what happened? Open your heart. Tea is getting cold. Let's have it.
Hey, how do I explain this? Look, those three come to me and
Hey, our beauty parlor course is done. So why not start a beauty parlor business?
Yes, it's fine. But what about the money?
See, if everyone deposit 1 lakh rupees each to you,
That means a total of 3 lakh rupees.
How to keep the money safe?
Yes, that's right. But we are new in this city. And our bank account can't be opened. But what's need to be done now?
I have good idea. Mrs. Urvashi from our hostel, let's keep the money with her.
It is the best idea.
Once everything is collected, let's take it back from them.
It's matter of concern.
Swati, you are always concerned.
You are too concerned.
Leave everything to me. See what will happen at that time.
it has been a long time since you come. Do you have any special work? Do you feel you need any help?
Madam, ask something to this Priya.
First you ask. It's okay if someone wants to ask. What's wrong with that?
No dear, it's her right. It's a matter of responsibility.
Why keep such suspense tone? If you have figured it out, then tell me. Please tell me in easy way.
The thing is, madam, we need to start a beauty parlor business. You will collect 3 lakh rupees from us. The question is, until we collect the remaining amount, where should we keep the money?
Yes, okay. Yeah.
You see, we are new in this city. That is why we cannot even open bank account immediately.
What are you talking about in suspense? Tell us where to keep the money. As you want to keep it with you.
Hey, no. I don't want to keep the money with me.
Please, madam, keep it. No. Madam, please, keep it, please.
Fine. Look at this. Just because you say I will keep this money, but based on your responsibility. If something happens,
Yes.
Yes.
you handle it.
Yes, it will work. And madam, before leaving, I want to ask you one thing. We gave you the money together. Once the money comes back to us, then we will be together.
Yeah, it will work.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, so the problem is solved. Once those three came, you must have given money.
No, not yet. The problem begins once they left.
What are you saying?
Then,
Madam, we found the good plot. The two of them stopped there. Give me back the money that you gave to them.
no, I won't give it. Oh, What is our deal? Three of you come together, then only I will give you your money.
Now, if we haven't paid the money as a deposit, then the shop will go out of our hand. Please give me the money.
No dear, look, so I don't take such risk with money.
Madam, please trust us. Madam, they stopped those two there, showing concern.
With all my trust, I will give you money.
Yes.
Any trouble, then you are responsible.
Madam, please don't worry. Give the money. Give it immediately. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Madam, we have both come, but we need to make a deposit to the shop owner.
Which money? That Ashwini took it with her.
How could that be?
That was the reason she gave.
Swati!
What happened? Madam, water.
Take water.
Swati, just drink a little water. Are you okay, Swati? Madam, how did you give money like this? What happened to us that we all had come together and paid?
Yes, but she mentioned the same reason.
We are not concerned about it. Give us our money. If not, we will complain the police.
Oh my, what police and all you talking?
It's our hard-earned money.
Hello?
You don't worry. You have CCTV, right? Everything is recorded in that.
Yes, everything is there. But they are asking for money, and if not given, they say they will go to police.
Okay, let them go. They want to go to police, let them. There is no need to worry. First you tell them, as I say.
Look, it was decided that when you all come together, money should be given. At that time, your Ashwini arrived. She created a scene, said some emergency. So I gave her money. But now, as it was decided that when you all come together, money should be given. Come together, I will give you money.
Hey, Swati, Priyadarshini. I was searching for you there near the shop. I took money and went near the shop. But I don't have any idea both of you. Then why should I take the risk of money? So I again came to Rashi madam to give money. But you both are here. You both are amazing. Take it, ma'am.
Good. You all come together. You have got your money. I got money. You are happy. We are happy. And what about you? Are you happy too? Say yes.